Welcome back to Earth's Medicine. In today's video, we're going to be exploring some of the medicinal uses of red top, which is a Jamaican medicinal plant. If you're new here and you like to learn about the medicinal uses of plants that are grown in Jamaica and in other parts of the world, then please consider subscribing and turning on your post notifications so you don't miss any of our uploads. Now, let's get into the video. The scientific name for red top is Emilia fosbergii. Here in Jamaica, we commonly refer to it as red top or redhead, but it depends on where it is grown. In other parts of the world, it's known as TASSELFLOWER, red tassel, Florida TASSELFLOWER, Cupid's shaving brush, red Florida TASSELFLOWER, and Flora's paintbrush, among many other names. Please note though that there are other closely related species that are commonly referred to as TASSELFLOWER and the Cupid's shaving brush. So moving on, red top is a part of the Asteraceae plant family, which also includes plants like sunflowers and daisies, among other species, and the genus is called Emilia. The origin of red top is uncertain, but many people feel that it is native to either Africa or Asia, but it is widely distributed in tropical and semi-tropical parts of the world. Here in Jamaica, it can be found growing in people's yards, also in forests and in other green spaces, just growing organically and wildly. In terms of the description, it's an annual herb. So that means that it can complete a life cycle from germination to the production of seeds within one growing season, and then it just dies. This herb can grow up to about 100 centimeters tall, and it generally has one central stem, sometimes branching, but other times not. In terms of the growth habit, it usually starts off as a basal rosette of leaves and then has upright stems. The leaves are alternately arranged. They're also fiddle-shaped, ovate to oblanceolate, and they often taper to a winged petiole. And the petiole is a part of the leaf that connects to the stem. The leaf margins are slightly serrated, and the leaves on the upper stems are usually smaller than the leaves on the lower stems. The plant also has 1 to several loose heads. The flower heads are bell-shaped and consists of 15 to 30 florets per head. And the color of these florets can either be pink, light purple, or red. And the fruits are achenes, and achenes are dry, one-seeded fruits. So these achenes are reddish brown to off-white in color, and they consist of a lot of white hairs, which are up to 0.3 inches long. In Jamaica, redhead is useful for removing mucus as a result of colds, asthma, and sinusitis. What some people do is to juice it and mix it with honey, or they use it to make tea and take it internally. In places like Costa Rica and Nicaragua, it is used medicinally to treat high blood pressure. In China, India, and Europe, people use it to treat a wide variety of maladies, including snakebite. A tea made from the plant is used topically to treat insect bites, and the plant is said to have properties that can dispel or reduce fever, acts on asthma and eye problems, colds, sore throats, and body aches. That's it for now, guys. Please do your own research and see you in the next video.